housing, business, Leary, or industrial and special service area program. So it's quite a robust scope of work that our delegates do for us. And again, this is an illustrative map that shows you our the office locations. We also will be launching soon maps that have your program area boundaries. And so it'll very clearly show you where all of the delegates are providing service to the city. Next slide, please. Let me get back to this at the end of the presentation. Just want to let you know we'll be wrapping up today with some of the next steps after this meeting. So at this time, I'd like to welcome up Nora from our team. She's going to talk about a bit about TIF activity and how that relates to our commercial and dairy delegates.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Beth, can you? That's fine. To get started, as you heard, we are going to be using the TIF program to help fund our program in the coming year. We've already started doing that with the Leary program, and of course you've all seen in your accomplishment logs a place to mark when you're doing a TIF activity. So we're going to have more training on this in just a couple weeks, but I wanted to give you a quick overview of what we're seeing in the Leary program to help you get accustomed to using that reporting structure. And I want to start by saying that TIF is this is an accounting exercise. We want to make it very clear what you can count as TIF activity for this exercise is not everything that you do as a delegate agency. It's not everything that we value that you do as a delegate agency. It is simply what's permitted under the TIF law. The TIF, of course, stands for tax increment financing. It is a state law, and it is available to you. Even if they say, thanks very much, give me your flyer, I'll see you later, you should be mentioning the programs including TIF that's eligible. We can assume that. You should check the TIF box. Hosting TIFWorks educational events or SPIF rollout. Partnerships for TIFWorks with trainers, say, and then consultations on general TIF assistance. TIF activities, things that are not TIF activities. TIF project management, this can be great. Somebody's doing a SPIF and you're helping them work with their consultants and making sure that they're managing the program well. That's important that you do it, but you can't count it as a TIF activity. So please continue to do it. We'll use other funds for that. Strategic planning for the area as a whole is not a TIF fundable activity. Infrastructure planning and priority setting, though important, again, not fundable by this accounting. Advocacy, which is very important, again, about how we spend TIF money, coming to City Council to testify for things, very important, campaign with TIF. Marketing TIF programs for projects that aren't in TIFs, or marketing TIFs for projects that aren't eligible for TIFs. Those are not TIF eligible. So, again, your activities are very important, but we need to be clear about what we can fund with TIF and what we can't. I'm sure we're going to get increased scrutiny for it, and we need to be really clear both on the state law and on putting the program in the best light. You can call me or, of course, your project liaison, your program liaison for any more questions. Thanks.